Welcome back. Got a very short video for you this week. I wasn't able to do very much more on the differential. I had to order in some shims, so they should be in this week. So hopefully I'll get back on that and get that video part 2 finished up. So in the meantime, I cleaned up some wheels, and it went fairly well, but I'm not entirely happy with a couple of them. There was some fairly deep pitting that perhaps I should have been using more body filler and stuff and tried to make them perfect. But anyway, I'll bring you around. You can have a look. But I've got a couple more wheels that I'm going to get the rubber removed, and I'm going to go ahead and clean those up. And then I'll basically just pick the best ones. So let's get to it. Okay, so you can see these ones, at a glance they don't look too bad, and they would certainly work for a spare. Some of them actually are quite nice. But you can see this one in particular, there's a lot of pitting. The beads I've got pretty good because I did use a bit of filler where there was pitting on the beads so I could get a good seal. Unfortunately, the best portion of these wheels will be hidden by the poverty cap, the doggy dish hubcaps that I want to use. But yeah. Okay, and if I come around here, now here's the other two wheels that I want to clean up. Now that one I think is going to clean up very nicely because it's still mostly paint. There's only a little bit of rust and pitting down at the bottom. This one looks pretty nasty on the back side. The front side of it, I'll swing it around. Oops. Swing it around, and it's still mostly painted, although you can see where it was down in the dirt there, where there's probably going to be some pitting. But I think I'll put a little more care into these ones and maybe try and fill the pits a little bit. See how they come up. Okay, I have 4 of the wheels cleaned up, sandblasted, and on a few of them, because they were badly pitted on the bead seating surface, I put a little bit of body filler on there and sanded it off just to fill in the pits. So I've had to do that in anywhere the wheel was in the dirt, I guess. So I'm in the process of getting them painted up. I've got one painted already. Not looking too bad. And I'm in the process of painting the second one. Get in here. And I'm just about to, well, as soon as it's dry, I'm going to flip it over and paint the other side. What I'm using is this Rust-Oleum, and it seems to spray on quite nicely. This one is, there it is there, dark steel. It's a metallic, and it's a primer and paint in one. So yeah, it's going to be a rattle can paint job, but that seems to be going on pretty good. It's turning out pretty good. That's the first coat. I'll give it at least one more, possibly two. Now, if I had my druthers, I'd be sending these out and having them powder coated, but for now, for these ones, this is what they get, the rattle can paint job. There it is. I'm pretty happy with the results. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and come on back. We'll get back to work on the differential and get this chassis finished off and on with the bodywork. So see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.